Did you know you can earn real money from your personal Facebook account without switching to a Facebook page? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your profile into a cash machine using Facebook's latest tools in 2025. Let's unlock your earning potential right now. Welcome back to Rentek PH, your go-to channel for tech tips and online income strategies. Today we're diving into a hot topic, Facebook professional mode, and how you can monetize your personal profile. Yes, your regular Facebook account. Step 1, turn on professional mode. First, go to your Facebook profile, tap the three dots and select turn on professional mode. This unlocks creator tools like ads, stars, and subscriptions, all from your personal account. No need to create a separate page. Step 2, check monetization eligibility. To qualify, you need 5,000 followers, 60,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days, 5 active video uploads, and no violations of Facebook's policies. You can check your status in the Meta Business Suite and then look for monetization tab. Step 3, apply for monetization tools. Once eligible, apply for content monetization, stars, subscriptions, and even branded content partnerships. Step 4, create monetizable content. Now it's time to post. Focus on short form reels, live videos, educational or inspirational content, and relatable humor. Here is a tip. Hook your viewers in the first 3 seconds and use captions to boost engagement. Step 5, set up payouts. To get paid, go to Meta Business Suite, payout settings, and link your bank or PayPal. Facebook pays monthly, usually between the 18th and the 22nd. Step 6 is stay monetized. Avoid clickbait, misleading titles, or reused content. Facebook rewards original, engaging, and policy compliant posts. Trending in 2025. Facebook now uses an interest-based algorithm. Even small creators can go viral. Storefronts and subscriptions are growing fast. And Meta is also testing AI-powered discovery to boost organic reach. If you want to turn your Facebook into a business, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. More tutorials coming soon, all here on Rentek PH.